So there you go, guys. You can actually round by yourself, or there's a yeoman warder who is gonna tour you, talk about things that's happening and the different stories that is being hidden in this castle. So there you go, guys. This is Tower Bridge of London.
Twisting streets of London where convoys could be attacked, stores stolen, or prisoners set free, he decided to use the River Thames as a highway.
So guys, what's magnificent in the Tower of London is that you can actually see the Queen's jewels, or they call it the crown jewels. Apparently it's not allowed to take photos or take videos of it, so I'm gonna devour it with my eyes. So guys, I'll see you later. And I'm here at the next tower, White Tower. So here, guys, you can see a gallery of what they wear and their pledge of allegiance to go on war. There are actually a lot of things to do here, guys, and you can have that guided audio, and you can walk around by yourself, although what remained was the crown jewels, definitely. So there you go, guys. There is so much to see here, so I would want you to explore it yourself. It is freezing cold, and by the way, just so you know, they stop admission at 4:30. I'm not so sure. 4:30. Make sure you come early in the morning, or probably 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So that is all, guys, for the Tower of London. It's freezing cold. Peace. So guys, we are here at the Windsor Castle. It's a very, very big castle, obviously. And here you can have a multimedia audio, so you can walk alone and hear it through, telling you about the historical stories, or basically the history of the different moats, the design of this castle, and all the rest of those. So yes, I'm walking around and just hearing with my multimedia guided tour. So guys, there's actually a shuttle from the visitor center going here to the area where the Stonehenge can be seen, and this is a protected area and a UNESCO World Heritage, so which is why you need to ride the shuttle from the visitor center all the way down here.